This is Jeff coming to you from Crystal Clean Naples, our new office. You know, we have over 100 cleaners on staff, and we train our cleaners. When we have the opportunity, if you happen to be looking for work, we have something called Crystal Clean University. We don't just throw you out there. We make sure that you understand what it is we're looking for in our cleaners and how to make good use of the supplies, how to make sure that we go in and do an efficient job. And you know, we promote more than anything growth within the company. If you're looking to join a family, you know, our core values being family, client, company. You know, the family part is important because we understand you have a family and you become part of our work family, and we appreciate that. That's something that we know is a big step for you as well. And we all want to take care of our client. That's a mainstay for us, but then ultimately the company will get what it needs out of that as well. So that's how our core values work. As someone who would join our team, you might wonder about being able to advance. You know, the opportunity to grow into a lead cleaner could happen relatively quickly and easily. We're always looking for good team members who want to step up to be kind of a lead and help take care of our clients at a higher level. There's management opportunities beyond that. We're a growing company. We've been in Fort Myers for 43 years. We now have our Naples office. We have over 100 team members, and we want to keep it going because we keep getting new clients. And we do that because we have good people like you who are willing to join the team and help us facilitate the need to clean, sanitize, disinfect, and make all the properties around Southwest Florida as clean as they possibly can be. Why don't you try to find us at our website, cleaningnaples.fl.com. You can find the Apply Here button. We would love to talk to you. Or give us a call at 239-936-7700.